Hi there, it's George here. Today I have to sow something new from seed. It is grapefruit. I have one seed here found my friends from my work and only one seed, but anyway have to try to grow this, I am already prepare the pot which I will have to use and the potting soil I will have to add. So just I will not grow for growing fruits, but to see how on the leaves looks like I will grow like ornamental plants and stuff like that. But if that tree it will bloom or something will make fruits, I will enjoy so much. But in this video we will have to sow that seed directly into the soil and we'll see if will germinate or not. Just have to wait and see if it works for me. So the seeds and grapefruit really can find, and so happy that my friends from my work find that kind of seed, and so happy. Now it's time for sowing them and let's do that. So I'm ready to add soil on this container. As you can see, it's with any holes anyway. If need I will make any holes, but first of all let's add soil, then I will have to plant this seed. It's a universal potting soil for sowing seeds or seedlings with pH 5 to 5 to 6.5. Let's add it here. But now let's water this potting soil. I think it's enough. Now this grapefruit seed I will plant it right 1 centimeter deep. Let's do it. Well, I planted it as you can see, and I have to put some greenhouse effect, some plastic bag, and yeah, but I don't have it right now. I will put it later after this video. So the date when I planted is February 4, 2026, and now waiting for germination. Well, I hope this seeds will germinate. I will post another video update if so, if it will germinate, and that's it. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye, George Vasky.